When it comes to increasing the value of your home in East Northport, few upgrades make as much impact as proper window installation. While windows are often seen as a purely functional feature, they play a key role in energy efficiency, curb appeal, and overall property value. Whether you're preparing to sell your home or simply want to enhance its comfort and beauty, investing in professional window installation can make a measurable difference. Enhanced energy efficiency and lower utility bills. One of the primary benefits of proper window installation is improved energy efficiency. Poorly installed or outdated windows allow air leaks that cause your heating and cooling systems to work harder, leading to higher energy bills. In East Northport's variable climate, where winters can be cold and summers warm, efficiently sealed windows are essential for maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures. Modern energy-efficient windows feature advanced insulation technologies like double or triple panes, low emissivity coatings, and gas fills. However, even the best windows can't perform well if they're not installed correctly. Gaps, uneven frames, or improper sealing can all compromise the insulation properties. Professional installers ensure that your windows are properly fitted and sealed, helping you save money month after month on utility costs. Buyers in East Northport are increasingly aware of the benefits of energy-efficient homes. When they see newly installed, properly sealed windows, they recognize the long-term savings potential, making your home more desirable and valuable. Improved curb appeal and modern aesthetic first impressions matter, especially in real estate. The exterior of your home sets the tone for how buyers perceive its value. Professionally installed windows not only function better but also dramatically enhance your home's appearance. From classic colonial homes to more modern designs, new windows can refresh the entire look of your property. Windows that are properly aligned and symmetrical give your home a polished and well-maintained look. Cracked seals, fogged glass, or frames that don't sit flush can make a home appear neglected, even if the rest of the property is in great shape. By upgrading and ensuring precise installation, you improve the visual appeal, which often translates into a higher appraisal value and faster sale when it's time to list. In East Northport's competitive housing market, a home that looks fresh and well cared for stands out. Homebuyers often associate new, properly installed windows with quality, security, and reduced maintenance, key factors that influence their purchase decisions. Increased comfort and reduced noise. Comfort plays a major role in how homeowners value their space. Professionally installed windows prevent drafts and hot spots, keeping indoor temperatures more consistent. This contributes to a more pleasant living environment year-round. Proper window installation also provides better sound insulation. In bustling areas of East Northport, where street noise or nearby construction might be an issue, high-quality windows with expert installation can significantly reduce noise infiltration. This improvement adds a layer of tranquility and privacy that homeowners and potential buyers deeply appreciate. Enhanced home security and durability. Properly installed windows don't just look good, they keep your home safer. A tight, well-fitted installation helps prevent forced entry by eliminating weak points that intruders could exploit. Additionally, secure window locking mechanisms work best when the frame and sash are perfectly aligned. Beyond security, proper installation ensures longevity. Poor installation can lead to water infiltration, warping, or frame deterioration over time. Professional installers follow manufacturer guidelines precisely, helping your windows last longer and maintain their integrity, another factor that boosts your home's long-term value. A smart investment for East Northport homeowners. In the end, proper window installation is more than a home improvement, it's a strategic investment. It enhances energy performance, beautifies your property, and increases its overall worth. Whether you plan to stay for years or sell in the near future, the benefits are immediate and lasting. Homebuyers in East Northport appreciate details that show care and craftsmanship. Professionally installed windows signal that your home has been well maintained and thoughtfully upgraded. With this single improvement, you can enjoy better comfort today and higher resale value tomorrow.